guys, today gagawa tayo ng Sundubu Jjigae. So we need green onions, green pepper, onion, a little bit of, what's this, zucchini, pumpkin, this mushroom, manil or garlic, the egg, seojut or shrimp, salted shrimp, the sundubu, tofu, the soft tofu, sesame oil. Now let's turn on the heat and put the sesame oil. We also need chili powder there. So first we have to put the garlic with green onions in sesame oil together with chili powder. Fry them. Lessen the heat. Next, more oil. The first oil that we put is sesame oil, and now the second one is the ordinary oil. We use canola oil. Smells so good. The onions, slicing. Put the pumpkin and the onions. Let me do the stirring while he's cutting. Now the green onions, the green peppers, the hot one, the spicy one. Stir more. Now put the water. More water. Second cup, third cup, the third cup. I think only half, 2.5. Tunawin natin yung nandyan ng sayang. Lakasan na natin yung apoy. Next, the salted shrimp or seojot. Kaya dito. Okay. I'm not the one who is executing this, guys. Si Kim yun, si Kim. I requested. Gumawa siya ng sundubu. Kasi masarap yung gawa niya kagabi. There you go, guys. We already put the mushroom. And next is the soft tofu or the sundubu. Galing niya gumawa. Looks yummy. More. Pakulain pa natin. Next, the egg. But there. I thought we will not put... Okay. Kasama pala yung dilaw. So, tinatanggal yung puti ng konti. Tapos yung dilaw pala yung nilalagay. Okay. So, we just put the yellow part of the egg. The white part is there. It was removed. Now, it's finished. Ang sarap. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you on my next vlog. Bye!